The House of Representatives has summoned Vice Admiral Ibas retired, the newly appointed sole administrator of Rivers State, to appear before its ad hoc committee for an interactive session scheduled for Thursday, April 17, 2025. According to a statement released by House spokesman Akin Rotimi on Wednesday, the session will take place by 4 p.m. in room 414 of the House of Representatives' new building, National Assembly Complex, Abuja. This development follows the inauguration of a 21-member committee chaired by the House Leader, Professor Julius Nwovebere. The committee was set up after the National Assembly passed a resolution approving the presidential proclamation of the state of emergency in Rivers State. Nwovebere explained that the meeting is aimed at gaining clarity on the situation in Rivers and ensuring the House remains properly informed while carrying out its oversight duties. The move comes in the wake of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's declaration of a state of emergency in Rivers State amid a prolonged political crisis. Following the announcement, the president suspended Governor Siminalayi Fubara, his deputy, and the state assembly members, appointing Vice Admiral Ibas as sole administrator of the state. We'll continue to supply you more trending news updates and exclusive videos. Do well to drop your opinion in the comment box section below and keep watching Naija News TV.